Up for sale, 1959 GMC 100 pickup. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 59 GMC Stepside pickup, finished in green with cream accents and black interior. As always, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And I love the color combination on it. It's like a British racing green, and then the cream accents. Nicely chosen. I like the bumper. I like how the grill's painted, the bezels, whatnot. Top of the cab, and of course the steel wheels. It's a driver quality frame off restoration, which was done about, I think, 6-7 years ago. Not that it's too important. I do notice this is a T3 headlight, which is kind of cool. But anyway, let's start here on the front bumper. I might as well show you this whole front section. Oh, I got to take this phone call. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. But nice job painting the bumper. Of course, there's a couple like little stone chips on there. Again, with the same with the, you see like one here on the grill, like the grill bumper, I guess. It's common when it's going to be painted. Bezels look nice. Emblem looks nice. Show you this. Hood lines up nice there. Is my camera focused? Yeah, my camera's focused. Okay, good. See a little mark right there. Hood lines up nice that way. But again, it's not perfect. I mean, you see a little bit of an orange peel on there. I notice there's a little, it's not as smooth down here. Not that that matters too much because you don't, it's on that angle, you don't really notice it. All the glass has been replaced. All new seals, all new weather stripping. New tires, of course. Stainless exhaust, new shocks. So again, when I put it on the lift, you'll see some of those newer parts underneath. But anyway, let me pop the engine here. You guys can take a peek. A little difficult to do with one hand, but we managed. Anyway, aluminum radiator, 6-cylinder. You see a little Jack Daniels bottle there as a coolant overflow. New carburetor on there. And I believe I have the original one in a little baggie that goes with the truck. Runs pretty smooth. Drives nice. It's a 4-speed on the floor. First being granny gear. And like, you know, new tune-up parts, stuff like that when he did the restoration. Painted the underhood as well. You know, new hood locking mechanism in there. Trying to think, this isn't correct for the car, but it works. He's like, I couldn't find the right one. I'm like, you know, if somebody doesn't like it, you could always change it. But again, it does the job. Trying to think if there's anything else. I might as well fire it up, let you guys hear it run. And while I hop in there, your original tag is in place. But the paint, the finish of the paint on the dash here, beautiful. Like really nice. Even the interior door paint and all that. This is the paint they used in here, or the quality is nicer than outside the truck. I just find that funny. But let me see here. Take it out of. So reverse is down to the left. Should just fire right up. Got a nice little rumble. And just listen to how smooth the thing is. I got a not so funny guy behind me, pretending like he's gonna run me over. So that's it. Really like the way this sounds though. It's got like a nice classic truck, not vibration, but rumble. So, cool. Anyway, we'll start here on the front. Let me make sure I'm back where I want. Okay, good. I'll get new tires. You can even make out the new shock. And you can see in there, well, there, you know, the painting of the frame, stuff like that. And I'll be honest, I had my little cousin do some of the washing on this truck, he didn't do the best job. So if you see some little smudges, I'm sorry about that. Like I said, it's a driver quality truck, but GMC pickups are always hard to come by. Nice finish, a nice fitment, excuse me, there. You see a couple little marks here, a couple touch-ups on this door edge. But this door lines up super nice. You see a little mark right there. Oh, nope, that came off, excuse me. Lines up nice all the way there. A couple marks, a couple imperfections. Let me step here. Can I show you the top? Ooh, that's finished really nice up there. Hold on. Let me get up. Really nice attention to detail there. Got a nice wood bed in the back as well. I'll show you that when we get there. Again, new weather stripping. Nice door corner there. Nice weather stripping all the way down. And again, like I said, the paint on the door here is really nice. And again, it has new glass, except that window, which is also a very nice window. So I guess that makes sense why he didn't replace it. Put a nice headliner in it. Visor. Could be the original back window, which again, very nice. Looks like a newer seal there as well. Had the seat recovered. Well, obviously he drove it, because, you know, a couple little things here. Has seat belts, original steering wheel. I always like seeing these on there. I showed you the dash already. Trying to think what else. He made a big deal about putting the seat belts up here so they're in like really nice and solid. I forgot exactly what he said. I've had this truck for a while, just hanging out. He like connected it inside. I remember him saying something like that. So it's sturdier. There's more strength to the safety of the seatbelt now. Again, Stepside. Nicely finished in there and around here. See like a little imperfection there. Now, one of the cool things which people could disagree with is that this is obviously the original bed and he did no body work here on both sides, so it's a little dinged up. Same thing here. Same thing here. Now, would somebody normally do body work to this? I don't think so. I think they just buy new panels. So what I'm getting at is I really like the fact that they kept the original bed. You know, nothing's China made, if that makes sense. Like, this is original 1959 GMC. And the inners of the bed are actually pretty, I mean, they have small dents, but they're pretty good for the most part. Your satin black or flat black painted bumper here. Oh, that should have. I'm gonna fire my cousin. But there are like a couple little scrapes here on it. Again, maybe you found a nice flat that matched and you just redid that. That would go away. And again, same thing here, a little less than the driver's side. See a couple little larger touch-ups down here. I think he said he scraped the garage pulling it in. And they are radial tires, which is nice for driving. But again, you see in here, so again, like I'm saying, like a driver. And nice fitment here, all the way down on this door. to the bottom. These are some of these like little stains I'm talking about from the my cousin poorly cleaning this. You see a little touch up right there. New mirrors as well, both sides. New weather stripping. These look to be replaced. He kind of finished the floor in like a rust proofing finish almost kind of a thing. It's got like a little rough feeling to it. You see like nice finish in here. Nice finish there. But anyway, we'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both things will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 59 GMC, Stepside, 100. Finished in nice colors. So anyway, thank you for watching. And here we go. You're good. It's got a little awooga horn. There's somebody behind you. Okay. driving it around, I was having a little trouble figuring it out.